are you, Chelsea? During this time, did you feel that you miss Girona?
I always loved any club that I played with, but I was excited when I signed with Girona, all the memories of being back here, the fans, just the players and things, the good experience that I had before when I was only here a short amount of time, but I definitely miss the city.
And would you miss the most, the city or the team?
I miss both. I mean, when I was at Girona last time, the team was completely different, and but I definitely miss the city. We went to our normal restaurant in the center, so it's still there. So I miss that for sure.
Which are the expectations here in Girona?
I expect us to do great things in both Spanish League and EuroLeague. I can't wait to get started and start playing.
Okay, the next question is, what do you think you can contribute to the team?
I think I can contribute experience. I played at different levels. I played Europe, I played in the United States, national team, a lot of different experiences. So definitely bringing that, but also just a hard-working person that can do a lot of things on both ends of the floor, offensively and defensively. So I'm excited and be able to help any way I can to win a championship.
And the EuroLeague is an objective?
EuroLeague is always an objective. I can't wait to start EuroLeague as well.
Last Thursday was your birthday, and your partners made a nice video for you. What did you feel when you see that?
Yes, I was surprised for the video for my birthday. I was excited. It made me want to come even more. So I was really thankful for the video.
There's any comment that you want to join to the fans?
I miss the fans. It used to be so loud in this gym, so I can't wait to see as many fans as possible to be here during our games.